Celebrity Amebo.
My people, how on a day? How body? How the day they go? Hope say on a day alright. Once again, my name na Eric Lemibe. Now, number one talk, the only Oyana, where they giving her everything where they call Celebrity Amebo. She na fashion, music, comedy, dance. Tigbo, we day here to tell her how it go. Make una not forget say football too. Now onto entertainment matter that one same day. Any celebrity where they do well onto the football matter, we are giving her the info for politics. So if your governor, your senator, all of them into entertainment matter. For here, we the gossip all of them the way it's supposed to be. Once again, my name na Eric Lemibe, your number one mouth, the only Amebo where they talk as it be. Today, I will take one good news. Take start with Tori. Yamebo don't enter our ear. Say the Maven number one woman where her name now Tiwa Savage don't get belle. And no be news again to say Tiwa Savage. Oh, she don't reach for the time to born pikin. Sake of talk say you no go to take again Tiwa Savage go born. But some kind doctor Amebo don't enter our ear. Sake of talk say we self we need degree here word we must smell the info come out. We don't hear say Tiwa Savage. Oh, now man pikin now Tiwa Savage go born. Yes, they don't go to the scan. Can't tell us something. Now man pikin Tiwa Savage go born. Maybe T Bills go get Junior. We go to follow our compound down to that matter. Still on Pikin matter, Dr. C2 don't go do scan for a wife. We've been heavy, and the scan don't come show talk say, Imo now woman Pikin and Dr. C go born, and I hope so they go still they sing for them too. I feel like the word is onto the way they sing for other people daughter, they go still sing for your own daughter too because a woman Pikin now she go born. Now the news again, say the beard gang oga wait in name that Too Short in wife don't born for Dublin, Ireland. Then Thursday the day when the woman born on March 13, 2015. Too Short don't come go do some kind of about talking to say he never seen in Pikin since when them born in Pikin. Too Short. Now fear they make you never go. I've been a visa matter. I not talk anything. I just ask question. No, you understand? Make them no go to say Eric to say Eric do say. I just ask because you tell one our source talk say you never see your Pikin based on say you did busy. The busy what we ask until the beer gang matter. I've been a visa matter. We go soon know because now our job to the no things. So we now no. Moving on to another one, the Amebo been shocked the whole Nigeria when the guy come out, come tell the whole world to say, may they watch out for a new shocking because now shocking, now being level now. He shocked the whole world when he come up for South City, go South Africa, go join Channel O. We don't believe our eye, we think say increase, now only Nigerian craze, but we don't know say South African craze, then join body for Nigerian craze. The matter can enter inside Talk when the before South City VJ, when in name that really young people talk say, I will soon get married. You see the why I pause?
Celebrity Amebo.
Make una go link us on top Facebook. Yes, Celebrity Amebo on Facebook and on Twitter at Celebrity Amebo and on Instagram at Celebrity Amebo. At the same time, if you want to watch us on top internet, you can watch us on top Oyana TV on YouTube. On that note, I go back break on top Celebrity Amebo. You can join me next week for another exciting celebrity gist. My name is Eric Lemibe. I'm my producer,
Tony.
as usual. Una bye guys.